Hello, Drimpman here. It's been a long time since I've seen you all. Literally, been a long time. I went on vacation, checked out a few rich places, you know, see if I can't upgrade my style. But unfortunately, nothing can't beat the Gucci, as you can see. So, we're gonna see this video that you can see on screen. I'm assuming it's on this side. If not, then, well, whatever, you can see it. Anyway, destructive Mother Nature moments caught on camera 2023. 2023 was a scary year, I can tell you that. But at least this time, we're in a new year. So, natural disasters. How are we going to do this? Like, score-wise and that. Good question. And I still haven't figured anything out. But that doesn't mean we won't. Because we can. And we will. Figure something out. Maybe. Maybe we can determine on how destructive the natural disaster is. Like, three things. Money, like how much it would cost to repair the damage. How many lives have been taken. And is there any way you can avoid it? Those are the three things, right? That will determine if it's a 1 or 10. 1 being the Mother Nature can do more than that, and 10 being like, Jesus Christ, how did we ever survive this planet type of situation. So we're going to be watching half of this, and I'll be putting my ratings of different disasters of like different clips in this video up above me somewhere around here. Remember, 1 to 10. Half this video, and go to this guy's YouTube channel. I might be pointing in the wrong direction, so I'm going to point like this into this guy's YouTube channel, right? If I like the video, I'm going to like the video. If I like it more than just a like the video, then I'm going to press the white button with the subscription on it. And if I like it more than that, I'm going to click the notification bell. And if I go to his videos more often, I will click the like button, go into the comments and tap, considering I might have already subscribed if I did. And if I did subscribe and click the notification bell, I would substitute that for a share of the video. Now, with all that out of the way, I am back. Let's get to it, and let's see how dangerous Mother Nature can be. I have no fucking clue what made that. Well, let's just say that was a 5. I call that a 4. I rate it a 3. It could be worse. It could be worse, you know. Simple floods. Down in here in Britain, we're used to that. Oh! R.I.P. May you rest in peace. And this is why you don't make your roads out of dirt. A 2. call that a 5. Seems like the entire mountain, or part of the mountain, is starting to fall, so 5 again. It has to be really bad to get a 10, I mean. But this is a 5. It's a natural disaster that usually happens every now and then, so.
Madre mía, qué angustia. Qué angustia, macho. Wow.
Considering how deep the water is and all that, I would say I give it a 4. Ooh, now this isn't good. Oh, that's real bad. That's really bad. I give that a 6. 6, definitely a 6. Still going on. That last clip was a 7. This, a 4. A 3. Oh shit, the cows. Cows were worth a lot of money, and
ito ang katakot-takot na landslide na nasa pool sa CCTV sa highway ng Dehong Prefecture sa China.
Okay, this is getting a little too fast. So, cows, I rate that, considering the money cost, the lives lost, a 7. Mostly because of the money cost. This one, an 8.
China, halo-halong putik at nabuwal na mga puno ang lumagasak matapos ang ulang dala ng Typhoon Doksuri o dating bagyong Egay sa Pilipinas. Ang eksenang yan.
Mother Nature certainly has it out for China. Woo. That is, if this is China. I'm not too sure. Could be wrong. Maybe the word on the video might tell me what country it was, but I can't tell that. Well, let's just say, I give that an 8. This is why you don't build your houses like that. I give that a 7. If the dam breaks, instant 8. I'm talking about the stone bridge and not the... Well, the last one, since it didn't break, 7. This one's a 7 as well. Because of all the cars, all the money. And as for the lives, we'll never know. Okay. A lot of mud, a lot of dirt. Are we still in the same country? Because if we are, then I'm might as well.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh! It just, whoop, gone. Ooh. This is why you don't build your houses like that. Poor planning. Very poor planning. Why would you build your house on a sloped hill? Very poor planning. I'd give that a 5. This seems to be an earthquake. So I'll give that an 8. The money on that, an 8. Oh, I've seen this many a times. Considering this entire little part of the land will become a separate island. That is a 9. Very close to a 10, but it's a 9. And it belongs to the sea now. That's a 9. And it's swirling. Oh. That means it's going back up. An 8. Move. Get out of the way, get out of the way, or you're gonna get crushed or suffocate. I don't know which is worse. It's probably the same thing on the other side. Ooh. Lightning. A 1. Cool, but a 1. That's a 1 too. Seems like the houses are staying in place, so good structural support for that, I guess. As for the damage though...
Allah'ım inşallah kimsenin bir canına zarar gelmemiştir.
I say about...
Bozkurt'un tamamının içinden akıyor sel.
£1 million maybe? And I give it a 5. A 4. As I say, 2 8 to 16, and that is above 8. So, we're going to cut it here. Hope you don't mind, and sorry about the tracking. It's kind of willy wonky. Anyway, goodbye, farewell, and stay dripping.